I've got two poems for you, inshallah. The first one is one of my favorite poems. It's called Low Hanging Fruit, and it says the things that I can't seem to say at the dinner table. The mummy's boy, sweet on her bad habits. The fatherless, who color in the gaps in family portraits. The role models, who drag their heels to leave a mark in the sand. The son of a man, whose memory fades with the grains of sand that drew between the cracks of the concrete where a rose would bloom. The chosen one, who sits between siblings who rest on the chip of his shoulder. The middle child, who lifts expectations to leave messages on the glass ceiling. The the quiet boy, who chases words to pardon the silence that cripples his memory. The brave heart, who unravels his misogyny to leave an older generation waiting for a callback. Sorry, I have to look at the adairs. But the damned, who pray the bailiffs away while gambling the child benefit. The men, who walk alone in the night to save face in the morning. The family, who visit the grave to see if their grudge is really buried. The curse that spikes the title is the one that carries the legacy. The war that bounds kin continues to rewrite history. We are the rip that leaves us at the mercy of others. Until we decide what side of the seat we're seated, we will continue to spin out of control on the merry-go-round until someone takes the crown from under us. Our hearts will bleed from the sleeves that this violin strings. Thank you. The second poem's a bit lighter. Called Ides of September. I don't know why. I just thought we'd play for. Here it goes. Numb and naive at the expectations that peek through the windows of my eternity. As I soul search on the minutes of an hourglass, I am reminded of my fragility. My insignificance is alarming, raising the pressure in the room, where the elephant is waiting for an invitation, for a seat at the table. I'm stretching myself thin, reaching for the fruit of the grapevine. I settle for Adam's apple when Eve walks by. Good and evil, my cross is equal. A crescent moon keeps me aligned. While the weight of the world is hanging me to dry, the wings of my ancestors sow the seas that ground my nerves. A heavy crown sinks the boat that floods the mount. My lofty goals set the pace of the tide that lifts us to shore. Thank you.